Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable quinoa Indian style. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa very well under cold water to remove any bitterness. Next, prepare your vegetables by chopping them into small, bite-sized pieces. Think about colorful options like carrots, peas, and bell peppers. Finally, have your aromatic Indian spices ready, such as cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and garam masala for a flavorful base. Now let's build the flavor. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Once hot, add whole spices like cumin seeds and mustard seeds, allowing them to splutter for a few seconds. Then, add finely chopped onions and a teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste, sautéing until the onions turn translucent and fragrant, creating a wonderful aroma. It's time to bring in the stars of the dish. Add your chopped vegetables to the pan and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Next, mix in your powdered spices, such as 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of red chili powder, stirring well to coat everything. Finally, add the thoroughly rinsed quinoa and 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. Almost there. Bring the quinoa mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan tightly with a lid and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until all the water has been absorbed and the quinoa is fluffy. Turn off the heat, let it rest for 5 minutes, then fluff it gently with a fork. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a vibrant finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.